bắp xào đi.
Hello everyone, I am back with a new recipe. Today I'd like to show you a Vietnamese street food classic that is very easy to make. That would be a perfect snack or great addition to any family gathering. It's called bap sao or fried corn, and people here in Vietnam really love it. Here's a look at the ingredients we'll use, or you can find more details in the description. First, you need to blend the garlic. After that, if you're using dry shrimp, make sure to soak them in water. Whilst they're soaking, you can cut the spring onions, peel and cut the corn, and boil the corn in a pot of water after washing it. It should take about 5 to 10 minutes after boiling to cook the corn, but you definitely don't want to overcook it because you'll stir fry it later. Then, wash off the dry shrimp and drain it so it's ready to stir fry. Next, add in a generous amount of butter into a pan. When it's melted, put in the blended garlic, dry shrimp, and the corn. This is where you can have fun with flavoring, but today I used a tiny amount of sugar and salt, as well as some chicken powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Keep frying for a few minutes and then add spring onions at the last step, just after turning off the heat. You may want to add some hot chili sauce, or you can just eat it like that. It's very simple, but I promise it will be worth trying. Please comment below which type of food that you'd like me to cook. I would love to try new recipes. Looking forward to read your comments. Cheerio! Bye!